TelcomPBX has supported offices and organizations with office telephone systems. Nortel, a major brand for nearly 2 decades, had been installed in small to medium-sized businesses like yours. This high-performing line telephone system was not only easy to use, but extremely robust, with incredible phones with buttons and easy to use for day-to-day activity. No longer supported by the manufacturer, but we do.
Business phone repair, upgrades, and cloud telephone systems. Call us today or visit TelcomPBX.com. We are a certified Atlantic Business System partner, as well as C3X partner.